Aklaan ti Baloy. Napipiyatatan tanay na nayunan ti Baloy di City Council. Mabuhay Baloy!
Mabuhay!
Then napipiyatay tatan. Ado ti tumultulong ijay City Council kada gito'y Baloy. Mabuhay Baloy!
Mabuhay!
For one thing also, I even belong to the minority group in the City Council. Talo kami during that time who belong to the same political group. So it really was a challenge to us. But then, mayat, dado titimbulong. Na-mention that time, ginaga ni former councilor, attorney Pinky Chan Rondes. Isu na gamin iti chairman iti the Committee on Special Events, Parks and Playgrounds. Special event dito Ibaloy Day. Kat timulong da. Kanda giya tatuma matlang akong si Hales. Amuyo.